Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section, and this video we have a very interesting question for you, a question pertaining to the quant section in general. Okay, so let us focus on the question at hand. LCM of two numbers is AB cube, where A and B are prime numbers. Okay, if one of the numbers is B cube, then which of the following cannot be the other number? So we are given LCM is equal to AB cube and one number is B cube. So we need to find the number which cannot be the other number. Okay, which of the following cannot be the other number. Now let me give you a concept over here. Okay, suppose one number is AX and another number is BX. Okay, so LCM will be given as ABX. That is the co-prime part and the common part, everything will be included. Okay, so now we'll go option by option. So option 1, we have one number, we have B cube and AB cube. So if I am to find the LCM in this regards, the common part will come and the uncommon part will also come. So yes, option 1 will be out of scope. Option 2, if we go AB. Okay, one number is AB, another number is this. So the common part in this regards would be this. I will write this as B into B square. So this is the common part, it will come. Uncommon part A will come and this B square will also come. So again B cube A. Again option 2 invalid. And third one, if we consider AB square. Okay, AB square and B cube. So let me write this as A into, okay, no, this is order. Let me write this B cube as B into B square. Initially we will consider the common part. So LCM will be the B square, uncommon part A and B. So B cube A. Again, and all the three options fail, so therefore answer will be none of this. Okay, just make sure you understand this particular concept. It is very important for solving this kind of question, and it was a pretty straightforward if you know this concept. Okay, so go through the same. I don't think you should face any difficulty with respect to the approach involved, and kindly solve the question. Okay, now having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, or you are looking for any guidance with respect to your competitive exam preparation for any exam for that matter, and also if you have any doubt with regards to your any subject or concept on which you need explanation about, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Okay, so having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all that said, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.